see wild stuff like the snakes.
That's a rabbit.
He eating the rabbit.
Is that what that is? A rabbit?
Yeah, that's a rabbit.
There ate 3 of them.
Really?
You can actually see his teeth.
3 rabbits?
Yep, you can see his teeth
Did they feed him
sort of.
alive or not?
Alive.
Really?
Here's the other one.
That one's already done with his rabbit. Just some teeth
You
hanging
can
out.
already see that. Ears. Ugh. Ouch. Let's bring it over to the crocodile, Mom. Crocodile. Hey. Ding dong, ding dong. Let's show their faces. And the turtle on our way there. Ew. Look at all this stuff. Look at the turtles. Crocodile power. Hi guys.
Close as you're gonna get to a real alligator.
Awesome.
They're ready for
Let's
some
show
food.
the two-headed snake and stuff like that. Show this first. That was disgusting.
2-headed turtle.
All that nasty stuff. Two-headed snake. Nasty.